afternoon, mine explorers. We're on our way to another mine. But I wanted to have you guys check out this cool cloud in front of us. It reminds me of a vanilla ice cream cone.
Here's a homemade miner sink out of a partial little barrel.
It's like a dead bird.
It is a bird. What kind of bird is that color? I don't know what kind of bird that is.
Look at that tongue.
Boy, is that a perfectly shaped
Oh, it's kinda
drift
pretty.
or what?
Yeah.
It's the quietest drift in the world. It's just got a sand bottom.
Yeah.
Cans spread out here and there. Nothing.
Nothing.
This is a perfectly symmetrical drift or adit. About 7 feet tall, 4 feet wide. A little narrower at the top than the bottom. No timbering. No, let's take it back. One little 2x4. This whole area is a gold mine. This I believe is just an unnamed prospect, but this whole area is basically one big gold mine. Oh, I see a can. And some water jugs. What's the can say? Is that part of a carbide can? Can you pick it up? It's a cut-off carbide can. Which, does it say anything on the other side? No. So, okay, so here's a little bit of a vein that they're after apparently. And then there's a right. Does that go anywhere?
Yeah, a little ways. It's back though.
Well, let's stay in the main line for now.
Okay.
Here looks like something goes down. Careful.
It doesn't go far.
Yeah.
But it goes that way too.
It sure does. And look at the old timbers up in there. Old natural timbering. Well, we got to go that way later. This goes down. I don't think it goes very far. And do you want to go straight?
Yeah.
Watch the plank there. That's a 1x. You want me to go first?
Yeah. And
So you know if it holds me, it's going to hold you,
and
right?
it's pitched towards the hole.
Yeah, it sure is, isn't it? It's holding me. Must be a split in the vein around here, because there's a little bit that goes that way, and then, oh, here's a door. Is there a wind door back in here? Is that a piece of clothing?
Something. No, it's like a cloth tarp type.
Okay. I don't know what you would have done if you're a miner and you're like 6'8" tall. So here's a door.
Also, this material was on this door.
Oh, kind of a sealer.
Yeah.
So this door's not going to close or open anymore. Well, it's open. It's not going to close. This is all filled in here. Here's a bottle.
Just the top of
Oh,
it.
just the top of it.
Yeah.
And the Borden's evaporated milk box. Miners love their condensed and or evaporated milk. You don't see a can dump around a mine ever without a milk can in it. And you can always recognize them. They got that little bump on them. And they're slit open with a knife.
Real.
Yeah, so I wonder what happened here. Piece of official rail sticking out of there. Did that go anywhere?
No, what's hard to say?
Hard to say without making yourself
Hard to say.
about a foot
It's all
tall.
busted up. You can see.
Well, this looks like something was on the incline.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was on an incline. I don't know where it went or how far it went, but it doesn't appear to go anymore. We'll skip this fork on the way in. Let's go see what this does. There's some cool natural timbers here.
Yeah.
Those are awesome, aren't they? This is a neat little drift. Huh.
There's a chute down there.
We came to a cliff. Oh, wow. Where in the heck does that go? Oh, I feel the air. Oh.
Yeah.
There's an overpass here.
Yeah.
Well, what's below us? Is there a... There's not an opening down below us that we've seen, is there? I guess we gotta walk down there and see what's going on. I feel a lot of air coming out of there.
Tom's gonna investigate. A lot of cold air coming down from there.
Coming up out of there.
Coming up out of there, yeah.
Huh. This doesn't go anywhere, nor does that. Okay. Here's this chute. It sounds like it's only like 15 feet tall.
Okay.
And it goes around the corner here.
Okay. Let's go check that out.
So I came through that hole up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. And I'm down here in a stope. There are a few stalls. This is looking straight up. Julie's staying up top because she doesn't think I'm going to be able to get out of here. And here's a stall with a big plate on it. And there's one behind me here too. I guess a pretty fair-sized rock has fallen right there. That doesn't look good. But I see something down this way. And I'm going to crawl in there. So I crawled a little ways and I see a couple chutes down here. And I don't know, there's a lot of wind coming through. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay, I'm going to go a little further here.
Okay. That chute is a old carbide can.
They've used one of these carbide cans as a round chute again, like we saw the other day. Okay, let me go this way. So that's the way I just came from. Little stall there. Big chute here. Huh. More lagging in stalls. I know where I am. This is the first level of the incline shaft. I'm very familiar with this. Okay. Let's see if I can get back out of here. I'm back. Well, that was interesting. Now I'm going to go back up through that hole if I can. I think I can make it.
Okay, here's a little better view of where Tom went down. And you can see him down. Now he's going to come back up.
The mine monster.
There's a little hole.
I think I'm going to take my pack off.
Yeah, I would take your pack off. He's making progress. See more of his body. There you go.
Back off a little bit. Otherwise I can't get out. Okay. I'm back, baby.
Alright. Cool.
Here goes Julie. Yeah, don't go in the hole. Well, I wonder if there's a stope above here. Usually they don't do that kind of thing unless,
Yeah.
unless there's a stope up here. Oh, look at the nice material up there on the other side of the lagging.
You can look up here.
Oh, can you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wonder how they got up here. Oh. Well, why didn't I notice this before? I guess they must have had some ladders in there.
It's E-A-E.
E-A-E. I wonder if it'd be worth trying to shimmy up that spot. Shinny. Is it shimmy or shinny? Well, that was a cool little side trip, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now we're back to this hole in the main. Oh, that does look like it goes down, doesn't it?
Kinda, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't know where, though. I don't feel like crawling down there, do you?
No, I can't. Since you do that one, I'll do this one.
You gonna go down there?
Yeah, I'll go down there. So I can climb back up.
Alright. Julie doesn't like her pet touching any rat poop.
No.
These things are so full of rat poop that if it would have been bad for you, we'd have been dead years ago.
I know, I thought of it, though.
Careful now. You have your light?
Yeah.
Does it go anywhere?
Dunno. It keeps going down, down.
Is it an ore pass?
It looks like an ore pass.
Take a shot of it if you can.
Okay. After I just went down that little hole, it looks like it's an ore pass down here. Goes way down there.
Well, we're headed back to the portal. kind of a neat little area. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. And we appreciate you watching.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you on our next adventure.